Hello everyone, and welcome to our Monday's Assembly, which is all about Global Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. Did you know that 1/3 of all food produced ends up rotting in bins? We produce lots of rubbish which ends up in the oceans, which is very damaging to sea life. How about, instead of being greedy, we just take what we need? I'm sure this little boy isn't about to eat those 12 donuts, and I'm sure he doesn't need them all. But why don't you think about that? When you're taking food, just take what you need. And when you go shopping, when you're buying things, think, do I really want this? Do I really need this? Think carefully before you throw something away. Maybe you could reuse it. There's lots of great ideas of how you can reuse old things. I love the one with the wellies used as plant pots. Or could you give it to somebody else? So, you know what they say, one man's treasure is another man's trash. Before you throw something away that's broken, could you maybe repair it? Look at how this mug has been repaired, and that's great. That didn't go in the bin, did it? Now, before you do throw something away, think carefully. Can you recycle it? Can you tell your teacher all the things that can be recycled? I think a lot of you probably already know that recycling paper saves trees. Just think about when you're printing, do you really need to print that document, or are you happy to read it on a screen? Start to get really fussy about what you want to print, okay? And when you really must print something, when you've finished with it, recycle it and save those trees. This is a road right by where I live, and I love to go walking down this road. And this, as you can see, is a pile of rubbish that has not been disposed of safely. And what I think is very sad is that there is a public waste tip where people could dispose of their rubbish safely and legally, just a 5-minute drive away. And this is so sad that people feel the need to dispose of their rubbish in this way. So I'd like to end this video with the message, please dispose of your waste responsibly if you must throw things away. So my challenge to you at the end of this assembly is, what will you do towards Global 12? Can you just take what you need? Can you reuse things? Can you recycle things? Can you repair things? And can you help save our beautiful planet? Let me know what you're going to do. Drop me an email or send me a message on Dojo, and let's make this a part of our contribution of our journey towards gold.